Hi, welcome everybody. This is Kenya Placido of Kenya Placido Homes. I'm here today at a lovely townhouse, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with my daughter right there. And we are in Vallejo, California today. This beautiful luxury townhome is priced at $389,900. Can't get any better than that for this type of luxury. Granite countertops, and look at all the goodies I have on the counter here. Come on through. Love to see you here. There's my other daughter. Yes, we're at an open house today in Vallejo, California. Come out and see this beautiful townhome with cathedral ceilings, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, cooking for a chef, made ready to order, and this granite tile fireplace. Look at this. Can't get any better than that for Vallejo. Give me a call, 510-688-4066. I'd love to see you here. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Kenya Placido from Kenya Placido Homes.